the crown jewel of the Canadian Rockies, Lake Louise. A place where turquoise waters reflect ancient peaks. But the real magic lies above, where the trail disappears into the sky. This is the story of a hike through alpine forest, past inland lakes, to a summit that takes your breath away. It's early morning, and we are on our way to Lake Louise, one of Canada's most iconic lakes. We parked our car at the park and ride at Lake Louise Ski Resort, showed our pre-booked tickets, and boarded the shuttle bus. Once you're on board, it's about a 20-minute ride through beautiful forest roads. We just made it to Lake Louise. It's a beautiful day. We have the sun out and the perfect condition that we needed to hike up a mountain. Yeah, we are going to Big Beehive. Originally known as Horu Namne by the Stony Nakoda people, meaning Lake of the Little Fishes, it was renamed after Princess Louise, daughter of Queen Victoria. Today, it's one of the most photographed lakes in the world, and it's easy to see why. After soaking in the view, we hit the trail, the Big Beehive. It's a 10.5-kilometer out and back hike with some solid incline, as you ascend from the lake shore into the forested slopes above. We are almost an hour into the hike and we have reached the Mirror Lake. So I can see the Big Beehive from here. Here we go. Looks daunting. This is incredible. The Big Beehive Trail gains over 500 meters in elevation and is rated as moderate or challenging depending on your pace. The incline can be tough, especially in the final stretch, but the terrain is well marked and maintained. After a 3.5-kilometer hike, we reached Lake Agnes and the famous tea house. Perched at 2,135 meters above sea level. Originally built in 1901 as a refuge for hikers, it began serving tea in 1905. Sitting beside that emerald lake, surrounded by peaks, it was the perfect mid-hike reset. Fueled up, we started the final push. Beyond the tea house, the trail narrows, the air thins, and the crowds fade. A series of switchbacks leads to the top. It's the toughest part, but also the most rewarding. We have made it to Big Beehive. So the last leg was completely brutal. We gained about 300 meters in elevation in last 1.5 kilometers. So it was just switchbacks after switchbacks. It was challenging. But now that I've made it, the view is incredible. Up here, the wind is cooler and everything feels still. The pain, the sweat, the climb, all worth it. There's a moment where the exhaustion fades and all that's left is awe. So now we're gonna take some rest, savor the beauty, have our lunch, and then head back to Banff after that. We ended the day back where we started, beside Lake Louise. Sore legs, tired feet, but a mind filled with mountain stillness and stories.